Dear students, today we are going to discuss about medical termination of pregnancy, which is also called as MTP. Termination, already we know very well. Termination means to terminate, means to finish, to complete something. So here, what is the meaning of medical termination of pregnancy? Medical termination means medical abortion of pregnancy. Medical abortion of pregnancy. Termination means abortion. Okay. So let us see the meaning of medical termination of pregnancy. Voluntary or intentional termination of pregnancy before full term or before the fetus becomes viable is called medical termination of pregnancy. So what is mean by full term? Full term means the entire gestation period of 9 months. Entire gestation period of 9 months. Gestation period nothing but fetal development period from the time of conception until birth. Okay. The full gestation period is normally 9 months. Once the female gets pregnant, so by the time the zygote actually develop into baby, which is ready to deliver, it takes 9 months. So on the 9 month before 9 months they are aborting the baby by medical method, not baby, fetus. Okay. So here early medical termination is extremely safe up to 12 weeks. That first trimester means first 3 months, okay, of pregnancy generally has no impact of women's fertility. Generally no impact on women's fertility. So எந்தவித பாதிப்பும் ஏற்படுத்தாது, பொதுவாக பாதிப்பு ஏற்படுத்தாது. Aborting during the second trimester is more risky as the fetus becomes intimately associated with maternal tissue. So while aborting during the second trimester is more risky as the fetus becomes intimately closely associated with maternal tissue. Mother tissue kuda the fetus close இணைஞ்சிருக்கிறதுனால in the second trimester abort பண்ணா it is very danger for women. Okay. And then here there is possible to ask two more question here. The question is second trimester abortion are much more risky. Give reason கேட்கலாம். The answer is abortion during the second trimester is more risky as the fetus become intimately associated with maternal tissue. This is the answer. And then Government of India legalized MTP in 1971 for medical necessity and social consequences with certain restriction like sex determination and illegal female feticide to avoid its misuse. Already we have learned illegal female feticide to avoid its misuse. And then medical necessity. So what is the medical necessity? மருத்துவ ரீதி அவசியம் ஏற்பட்டால் in case where the continuation of pregnancy is harmful to either fetus or mother or even both. So suppose fetus on the abnormal hormone or some other problem இருந்துச்சுன்னா fetusக்கோ மதருக்கோ பாதிப்பு ஏற்பட்டால் harmful இருந்தால் இந்த medical necessity இருந்தால் அதை அபார்ட் பண்ணலாம். And then social consequences, suppose to get rid of unwanted pregnancies due to casual unprotected intercourse or failure of contraceptive used during coitus, இந்த மாதிரி social consequences இருந்துச்சுனாலும் அதை அவாய்ட் பண்ணலாம். But we should not misuse பண்ணக்கூடாது, especially illegal female feticide, to avoid illegal female feticide. Okay. And then next, MTP performed the legally by unqualified quacks is unsafe. So unqualified quacks, so போலி டாக்டர் தகுதியில்லாத டாக்டர் மூலமா MTP பண்ணுறதுனால that is unsafe and could be fatal, death ஆகிறதுக்கும் வாய்ப்பு இருக்குது. And MTP of the first conception may have serious psychological consequences. The first conception, first pregnancy, first conceive ஆகும்போது abort பண்ணா, it may may have serious psychological consequences. ஸோ உளவியல் ரீதியாக சில பாதிப்பு ஏற்படலாம். Okay students, next class we will discuss sexually transmitted diseases, otherwise called as venereal disease or reproductive tract infection. Okay, thank you.